Neața și bine v-am găsit la episodul 15 din această serie. Penultimul episod, pentru că episodul 16 cu 17, adică capitolele 16 și 17 vor fi într-un singur episod. Pentru că deci sper că vă place, că se aude bine, că mă aud bine. Și aproape gata și joc. Mă, ce fain. Absolut cinema. Ok.
I think Roderick is working in the yard.
Ce faci, mă, Lucas?
Is the lock still frozen?
Yes. It's a tough winter this year. Anyway, how was your nap? Feeling better?
A little.
Did you dream of him again?
Yes.
I'm going to prepare a special brew of St.
Da,
James
mă.
Wort for you.
That's alright.
Hugo
Lucas.
nu mai
I
e.
don't need it.
E la
I miss him,
bătrânul
that's
ăla.
all. I have to accept that he won't be coming back.
Amicia, you're going to be alright?
I'm going to go
Parcă
see
s-a mai
the
înălțat, omul
Oh,
meu.
can you tell Melly about...
The chest, of course.
Melly's going to say something like, you should just piss on it. But it's way too cold for that.
Parcă te mai înălța, mâncați-aș gurița ta. Mamă, ești nebun? Iar asta.
You'll only two, won't you? Come on, cheer up. One more day.
One more game. Da, mă, da. Am văzut ceva strălucitor aici.
Oh, what are you doing here? Hugo should have found you.
Floricele. Ia uzi. Nu știu unde trebuie să merg. Ok. I guess acolo, nu? Dar vreau și eu să iau de-astea,
I've
că
never had so many apples.
cine
Hugo
știe
would have made himself sick with them.
ce putem construi. Strings? Da, bă. The sling no longer makes
Not bad.
noise.
Not bad at all.
Instrumente. Night, fine.
This should make things a little easier.
Ia. Da, mă. Mai silențios. Acum ne luăm chestii de-astea.
The soup. Whose turn was it? Melly? These things. I remember each place. Each moment.
And I want to stay here.
Oh, really? And what if...
What if you stop living like an animal?
Oh, hello, Amicia.
Hey.
Hola.
Sorry, am I interrupting?
No. Arthur was just saying he wants to leave. Again.
Come on! I want us to stay alive, that's all. Like we've always done.
Listen, it'll be dark soon and we have to light the fires. Can you help me, Arthur?
Go on. Try not to annoy the hell out of her.
Why would I do that?
Because you're a pain in the ass, that's why.
Oh, Lucas needs help with his chest.
Yeah, right. He just wants to see me, that's all.
Oh. All right. Ready when you are, Amicia.
N-am pot.
Come on, let's get the braziers in place. Starting
Hold
with...
up, I see
That one.
something
Yes, I know. Been
glowing.
doing the same routine for weeks, Amicia.
Alright,
Sorry, it just helps me sleep better knowing the pit is secure at night.
can't go there.
Oh, for the love of... Why can't you just tell?
Mamă.
So, what's up?
I feel old.
You look pretty good for an old person.
Thank you.
Listen, I don't know your brother that well, but
He would like you.
really?
You saved us. You were captured, you managed to escape. You're like a hero from a book or something.
Hero.
But he would have been sad to see you leave.
Ce face Roderick, mă, vorbește singur, cu cine se ceartă?
There you go.
Dă-te! Că-mi trebuie. Hai, hai.
All right, that's it.
Is everything alright, Roderick?
Everything's fine. This damn thing is going to work.
Hey, calm down. If you break everything.
And there you go. Now the braziers will stay put.
The Roderick method. Random, but effective.
Haha. Try it.
I intend to.
Now where? Scar, I guess. Ce ziceți bă aici?
Right. You take that one. I'll look after the other brazier. Whenever you're ready.
Hey, are you alright?
Yes. Why?
That was pretty intense.
Oh, the kicking, you mean? My father was like that. I'm just carrying on the tradition now. Anyway, how about you?
Oh, I'm alright.
I miss the kid too.
Bun.
Hey, you know what? We could always extend the search area.
Roderick, there's no point. It's
Zoinks.
months already.
A, bă, nu mai
Let's just
vorbiți.
get the pit ready for the night.
Dă-te!
Arthur wants you all to himself, is that it?
Just shut it, will you?
Dearest Amicia, allow this forlorn brigand to steal thy heart.
Go take a bath. You stink.
Cum trebuie să pun asta?
Let's go and make sure the brazier is right up to the edge.
Nobody's going to be able to climb.
Alright, the edge.
The system is here for a reason.
The system won't stop trained soldiers.
Arthur, Melly is tired of running.
Melly and I are not people like you.
But perhaps Melly isn't like you either.
All right, I get it. You handle the brazier on the ramparts. I'll handle these ones.
Bă, ce se întâmplă? Care? Te încolo. Acum. Acum merg. Mare joc, ce se întâmplă? Bun, hai, hopa sus.
I'm telling you, I rode by myself. A cart the size of a cow. Stop laughing. It's not funny.
Văd că se înțelege Lucas bine
The runs were everywhere.
cu
Ask Amicia.
Melly.
Tell yourself that we have something here, and we need people like you to keep it safe.
Let me think about it.
E,
Right, I finished.
Something wrong?
tremură. Mamă, cât șobolani. Cred că se vede bine.
There are way too many.
Arthur! Amicia!
Run! Get inside!
Now what?
It's overflowed. That's never happened before.
Shit! Shit, I've never seen so many!
The ladder in the red area. If we can reach it, we'll be able to get to the tower.
Use your brazier. I'll open a way for you on my side.
Oh, stai un pic. Zoing.
Brazier's in place. Get off this one. What are they doing?
They're regrouping. They're going to put the fires out.
Shit! Amicia, I don't have any ignifer left. There's nothing I can do.
I'll manage. I've done it before.
Alright. I played this game before. Știam misia ce trebuie să fac. Bun, hai, jos cu noi.
Oh, no, quick!
Coboară și tu mai repede, te rog eu. Zoing.
It demolished the ladder. I have to get to the one on the ramparts.
Holy shit! I thought you said this place was secure.
It used to be. It's good. This is not good. I have to get to the ladder in the red area, or I'll die here.
Amicia, I'll get a brazier your way. Try to reach it.
All right, I'm counting on you.
Oh, pana mea.
There's a lit brazier here. Take cover.
Unde, bă? Stai, bă.
Nico, I'll get you to the ladder.
Come on, you faced worse before.
Crezut că vine de la spate.
Hang in there. I'll move the other one to you.
Please hurry.
Mamă,
More swords of rats.
unde veniți pe funde?
Worry, I'll get you out of there.
Ok. Good. Sus.
Light it. Come on.
Stai un pic, te rog eu. Bun.
One by one.
Yes, you're there.
Oh, bun.
At last. Good Lord, I thought we'd never make it.
Are you all right?
Yes.
Da,
thanks.
bro.
It's up to you now.
The brazier on your side.
I'll get you there.
Where? Oh.
How are you doing?
All right. I prefer being here than down there.
What the hell is going on, Amicia? I tried to get in before, but never like that. How come?
How do I know? But it was almost like they were.
S-au plictisit și ei. Și-au decis să atace.
English army.
But they know what they're doing. I've only seen this once before.
Amicia, I think I
At the
need your
domain.
help.
Leave it to me.
I'm a bit worried about this.
I can't go any faster.
Haide, bă, mai repede. No way că acum trebuie să merg pe aici. Hai, bro. Tu vă încolo cu vârtej, tornadă, ce faceți voi acolo? Man, are you serious? 2 ori am atacat. Și a 3-a oară am reușit.
I don't believe it. What's happening? Why now?
Măcar am pietre. Hai. Lăsați-mă și pe mine.
I'm here. We're nearly there. Come on.
Thanks. You deserve a medal.
It's all right. Come on, let's go join the others inside. I hope they're all right. If the rats have got in,
Amicia, they're not kids anymore. They're used to it.
I don't want to take any more risks. I'm not going to lose
Hai.
anyone else. Would I really like to stay
Rapiduleț.
as far away from here as possible?
Well, I'm
Hi.
not a magician, huh?
Are you all right?
No, what the hell is going on? Arthur, did you get bitten?
No. We have to get out of here.
The castle was made to resist.
Lucas, there were never so many before. This is not a simple infestation.
What the hell is it then?
This way! Quickly!
Cam greu merge, Nicolas. Opa, Hugo.
Go and do what has to be done.
Hugo!
Come on.
Hai, Ricardo. Roderick sau cum te chema.
It was Hugo! Amicia! What have they done to him? The rats! He was...
He can control them.
Yes,
There you
Maggie.
go.
Where does that go?
Don't panic. The castle was designed for this kind of situation.
Your castle's falling apart.
Rapid.
Rats are getting through the defenses like a hot.
Deci acum fug și eu, nu pot să
Listen, I
fug.
have to talk to Hugo. I can...
We have to get out of here.
Demetia, he's right.
Go through. No, no.
Cam atâta ce putem să zicem.
Get to work.
Hugo! Hugo!
Kill her. Or I will kill
Ce-o
your
pățit omul meu, bă?
Hugo!
Arată așa zici că nu a dormit.
Your sister!
Kill her, child. Maybe Vitalis will keep you by his side.
Hugo, no!
Go on, child. She means nothing to you now.
I've been looking for you everywhere!
What are you waiting for? Cross the damn threshold, carrier.
Don't listen to him, Hugo!
Enough. I'll let your rats have her.
Don't touch him, you bastard!
Bastard. He gave him
Nah.
because you betrayed him. Thanks
Ăsta ne-ar fi omorât deja de câte de vreo 10 ori, frate.
soul carrier of the
Dar omul meu nu știe să fugă.
What? No! Hugo is the only carrier!
What? Blood now flows through the veins of the Grand Inquisitor!
Arthur, no!
Die!
De-aia.
We got that bastard!
Bravo, bă, Arthur, bravo.
Amicia,
Unde e Hugo? Hugo! Șobolanii se învârt în jurul
Arthur, go make
lui.
sure he's dead.
Are puterea.
I have to speak to Hugo.
go ahead. I'll take care of him.
Hugo? Hugo! I just want to talk to you. He can't hurt you anymore, Hugo. Look!
Hai, Hugo. Știu că nu ești așa.
Alright, alright. I won't move. You come here. Come on.
You lied to me.
No! No!
Arthur,
Hugo,
trece să
I was trying
treaba.
to protect you.
Omoară-l.
You did it. You passed.
Nu, Arthur.
You are no longer an enemy.
Nu, acum facem boss fight. Hey, yo.
Hugo, he must see us.
Deja ne știe, bro.
But my blade is still warm. As you will soon find out.
Wait a minute. The rats. They obey you, don't they? There must be some of them nearby somewhere.
But they're afraid of the fire.
We'll put them out there. We need those rats.
Venit de... Oh, alright. I know. Na, nu-i voie. Yes, sir! Vermin. Na, are puterea focului. Bănuiesc că ne mai trebuie de astea. Nu urăsc, se oprește. Wow, 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 wow. N-ai voie. Bănuiesc și bănuiesc. N-am mai văzut Tangle. Ia.
They move fast, like roaches.
Cu cine vorbește Blood? Neadu Mitrache. Kaboom!
I know you're here. So close.
Ah, hell nah.
What do you think you can do? You are nothing.
Treceți pe el. Aha! O meu, acum e full flacără. Stai un pic, te rog eu frumos, wait for me. Te rog eu. Trebuie cumva.
Prepare to die.
Hai bă, vină încoa. Ah, hell nah. Bro, are you serious right now, bro? Bro! De ce nu puteam să o bloc pur și simplu acolo? Let me craft, let me craft. Bun! Nu mai poți, bă, să dai flacăra. Hi-hi-hi-ha. Mamă, unde l-o lua, bă? Mama mia, pizzeria.
No, no, no.
Cam ce-au lăsat Arthur. Dacă nu și-au făcut treaba atunci.
I'll tear them apart.
Millie, I'm...
Just shut up. All right.
Stop it, please.
I'll kill them all. I'll burn their fucking
Melanie,
banner.
you'll never make it.
What about you? You're just gonna stand there. Just wake up. Look.
You don't know what you're saying.
I do know we're getting killed. One by one. They got my brother. Your father. Yours. There's nothing left. Nothing.
Damn.
She's right. Amicia. This is crazy.
5 of us against Sanao.
I think there are a lot more of us now. Has he passed the threshold? Yes, I believe so. Hugo, what do you want to do?
I want to save Mommy.
That changes a lot of things.
Even if it kills us, what have we got to lose?
Us? Nothing. But Vitalis. Now we can stop him.
So let's go. To the death.
Damn.
To the death.
Nu parcă a mai fost aici când o trebuie să căutăm cartea aceea cu trandafir, care habar n-am cum,
How are we going to find Mummy?
ce
We'll
nume
get
avea.
to there, Hugo.
Rodriguez, ce faci?
I'm really sad.
She'll be alright.
But can't we help her?
That's why we're here. To help her get revenge.
And to keep her alive.
We got the
Adevărat,
kid and
adevărat.
the rats.
E, dar
Invincible.
războiul, bătălia va fi în episodul viitor. Sper că v-a plăcut, că s-a văzut, că s-a auzit bine și eu că m-am auzit bine. Și ne vedem data viitoare. Ciao les!